Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a new Roblox Piggy character. Now, I thought it'd be fun to come up with a new character, and what better character to come up with than using Miami, my cat, as a way to make a Roblox Piggy character. And not only is it going to be a Miami Roblox character, but also a Miami Artland Roblox character. So if you guys like this video, definitely let me know in the comments, and I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Roblox Piggy Miami character, we're going to begin with the head. So I want to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a nice circle. Now, circles can always be a little tough, so you just want to try your best on here. So I'm just going to make a nice big circle shape right here for the head of our Roblox Miami character. Now, right inside of here, I want to draw another pretty good sized circle for the mouth. So I want to start right down here. I'm going to make a nice circle shape that just goes right around here. Up here at the top, we want to make the nose. Now, to draw the nose, we're just going to make a little V shape. So we just want to draw a line that goes down and then up. Starting here at the tip, we're just going to draw a little line that comes down. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down here, and a little line that comes down here. Now, over here we want to make the eyes. I'll begin by drawing a nice big circle shape right here for one eye. We're going to leave some space, and we'll draw another nice big circle shape over here for the other eye. Now, starting at the top, we want to make the ears. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and down. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to come up, come to a point, and down for the ears. I'm also going to draw a smaller little triangle shape inside each one just to show the inside part of the ear. Now for the body. So to start with the body, we're going to draw two lines that come down here. I'll begin here very close to the bottom of that circle. We want to draw a little line that comes down, and we'll make another one that comes down over here. Then we will just draw a little line that comes across to connect it. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and it's going to have a little hook on it for the hand. Starting here, let's draw a little line that goes out, and it's going to come back in for the thumb. Then we'll draw another line that comes right up here for the arm. Over here we'll do the same thing, but I'm just going to draw a little short one. And right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. Starting here, let's make a line that goes up. We want to bring it down and come back here. Kind of like almost a little bit of an oval that's got a little space in there. Right here we're going to add another oval shape for the hand. So let's draw a line that's going to go up. We're going to come down and back to here. And since this is an Artland Miami Roblox Piggy character, I want her to be holding a pencil, since we know she likes to draw. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and another one right here. We'll draw a line that goes up and down with a point. We'll draw a little line that comes over with a small V shape. Then we'll draw another little line that comes over here. And at the top, we'll put a little curved line. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and another one that comes down a little bit. And we'll draw a little line that curves across. Next, I'll add another little curve here, and I'll put one more over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in and up for the arm. Next, we're going to line up right with these two lines here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down, and another line that's just going to come down here for the legs. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go up, and we will come down for the feet. I'll draw a line that comes over, and a line that comes over here. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up on each side, and a little line that comes across. And because this is an Artland Miami Roblox Piggy character, we need to put the little Artland logo right on the shirt. So it's going to be hard to fit the whole thing in here, so we're just going to make kind of like a simple version. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by making a little line that comes up, and it's going to go over. Then I'll take this line down. I'll draw a little line that comes down and up like a V. Then we want to go up, over, and down. And we'll make a little line across to connect for the A. Put a little triangle shape in here. And we'll make a little curved line across and then a smaller one right here to kind of show where that pencil's forming. Right here, we'll draw another line that comes down. We'll make a line that goes around, one that comes down, and we'll just make a line that goes straight across. And right in here, we'll make a little kind of triangle shape for the R. And then we'll put a little kind of half circle shape in there colored in. Starting here for the T, we'll draw a line that goes across with the two lines that come down. We'll draw two lines that come in and leaving some space. Then we want to make a line that goes down, over, and then up for the T. And right underneath here, we can just write the word land, L-A-N, and D. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Roblox Piggy Miami Artland character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.